So, hi guys, today we're gonna build a little side table. I got all my materials prepared. Here's my tree slice, and if you're interested how to plan a tree slice like that, you can watch it on this video. And here are my boards, both ash. That should be way more than I need. And if you're interested how to plan a board, you can watch it on that video. So let's go. Okay, first of all we make the legs for the table, and for that I will build two frames, and here I rough cut the material on the table saw, and after that I will plan all four sides to the final thickness. So, and now we use the chop saw to cut them to the final length. So now we cut the connection for the frame. For that I put my sledge on the table saw, added a stop block here, and raised the saw blade to the thickness of the wood. So, as simple as it is. Let's go. Now we take the middle parts out. Okay, first of all I will clean up the cuts with a chisel, and after that I will mark the cutting line on the counterparts to finish our wood connection. Okay, and here made a dry assembly, and we see everything fits perfectly. So we can go on. Nice. Okay, that's done. So far so good. Okay, I will put two shelves between the frames, and now I have to decide the places of them. And another plate here for magazines. So I think I put one slot in right here. And another one just a little bit deeper, like that. I guess that's fine. Yes. Okay, here mark the position of the shelf slot, and after that I work with a stop block on my table saw sledge to make sure that every cut is exactly in the same position. Okay, the frame legs and the tabletop I will connect just with screws, and here I mark the position of them, and then I pre-drilled some counter thunk holes. Okay, and now I've sent everything up to 220, and then everything is ready for the final glue up. Okay, and while these are drying, we can work on the boards for the shelves. Okay, the board is 3.5 centimeters thick, and the slots for the shelf board are 1.2 centimeters, so I have to split it in half, and for that I make a precise pre-cut on the table saw as far as I get, and then I will finish it up with the bandsaw, and for me that works the best. Well, and then I have to plane them again to reach the exact final thickness. So here we are, all final parts. Tabletop, shelves, and the stand. Now I sand these 4 parts up to 220, and then I will film the final assembly. Let's go. So, and now the last step, to put on some finish, and well, then we're done. So here it is, my first step into hardwood furniture, and I really love how it turned out. Um, it's natural, it has the contrast between round and perfectly square. I like it. Tell me what you think, and if you want to support my hobby, feel free to leave a comment, like, share, or even subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate that. And have a nice day, and thank you for watching till the end.